Hello and welcome back to How to Tutorials. In today's quick video, I'll be showing you how to join a Telegram group. Telegram groups are a great way to connect with people who share your interests and passions. So let's get started. The first step is to make sure you have the Telegram app installed on your device. You can find it on the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Now let's open the Telegram app. Once you're in, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the search function. Type in the group's name or keywords related to the group you're interested in. Once you've found the group you want to join, tap on it to open the group chat. If you're ready to join, just tap the join button at the bottom of the screen. Some groups might be set to private. In those cases, you might need to wait for approval from the group administrator. In order to join a private group via link, just find the link first, tap on it. You'll be directed to a page similar to this with the group's profile. Tap on Join Group at the bottom again to become a member. You are now a member of the group, and that's how you successfully join a Telegram group. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please like and subscribe our channel for more video updates. Thank you.